Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
गोंयांत रेल्वेनूय थर्मल गन स्क्रीनिंग करपाची तयारी दवरल्या.
This Goa Express and YPR Express, both trains which will arrive tomorrow morning, one at 6 o'clock and other one at 6:30. Both train passengers will be screened here.
Sir,
on arrival.
who will be screening it and
The state government officials have come here. They have camped here for that purpose, so they will screen them.
Sir, till when this process will continue?
Till further advice from state government.
सर दिन को कितने पैसेंजर्स अराइव होते हैं वास्को रेलवे स्टेशन पे?
Around 150 to 200 by Goa Express. YPR में थोड़ा कम होगा 100 तक.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.